Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sunday's unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 78. Which one of the following pairs of animals comprises of jawless fishes? Option A, mackerel and rohu. Option B, lamprey and hagfishes. Option C, guppies and hagfishes. Or option D, lampreys and eels. Jawless fishes. Correct answer is option B, lamprey and hagfishes. Question number 77. Earthworm has no skeleton, but during burrowing, the anterior end becomes turgid and acts as a hydraulic skeleton. It is due to option A, setae, option B, coelomic fluid, option C, blood, or option D, gut peristalsis. Earthworm has no skeleton, but during the process of burrowing, the anterior end becomes turgid and acts as a hydraulic skeleton. This anterior end becoming turgid is due to. Correct answer is option B, coelomic fluid. Question number 78. Which of the following plant species would you select for production of bioethanol? Zea mays, Pomegania, Jatropha, Brassica. Correct answer is option 3. Jatropha is used in production of bioethanol. Question number 55. Trichoderma hertzianum has proved as a useful microorganism for biological control of soil-borne plant pathogens, bioremediation of contaminated soil, reclamation of wasteland, gene transfer in higher plants. Correct answer is option 1, biological control of soil-borne plant pathogens. Question number 56. Which one of the following cannot be explained on the basis of Mendel's law of dominance? The discrete unit controlling a particular character is called a factor. Out of one pair of factors, one is dominant and other is recessive. Alleles do not show any blending and both the characters are recovered as such in F2 generation. Factors occur in pairs. Which one of the following cannot be explained on the basis of Mendel's law of dominance? Correct answer is option C, that is, alleles do not show any blending and both the characters are recovered again in F2 generation. This cannot be explained based on Mendel's law of dominance. Question number 92. Identify the correct set which shows the name of the enzyme, from where it is secreted and substrate upon which it acts. Tylen, intestine maltose. Tylen, pancreas lipids. Pepsin, stomach wall, casein. Chymotrypsin, salivary gland, lactose. The correct answer is option C, pepsin, stomach wall and casein. Question number 84. In which one of the following male and female gametophytes do not have free living independent existence? Cedrus, Pteris, Funaria, Polytrichum. Which one of the following male and female gametes do not have free living independent existence? Correct answer is option A, Cedrus. Question number 76. Systema Naturae is a book written by option A, Charles Darwin, option B, R.H. Whittaker, option C, Robert Hooke, or option D, Carolus Linnaeus. Systema Naturae is a book written by. Correct answer is option D, Carolus Linnaeus. Question number 65. Which one of the following is linked to the discovery of Bordeaux mixture as a popular fungicide? Option A, black rust of wheat. Option B, bacterial leaf blight of rice. Option C, downy mildew of grapes. Or option D, loose smut of wheat. Which one of the following is linked to the discovery of Bordeaux mixture as a popular fungicide? Correct answer is option C, that is downy mildew of grapes. Question number 89. Most animals are tree dwellers in thornwood, temperate deciduous forest, tropical lane forest, or coniferous forest. Correct answer is option 3, tropical rainforest. Question number 62. Largest tiger population is found in Sundarban National Park, Corbett National Park, Ranthambore National Park, or Kanha National Park. The correct answer is option B. Corbett National Park has the largest number of tiger population. Question number 74. The bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis is widely used in contemporary biology as insecticide, agent for production of dairy products, source of industrial enzyme, indicator of water pollution. Bacillus thuringiensis. Correct answer is option A. It has been used as insecticide. Question number 66. The movement of gene from one linkage group to another is called duplication, translocation, crossing over, inversion. The correct answer is option B, that is translocation. Question number 58. Which type of WBCs are concerned with release of histamine and neural anticoagulant heparin? Monocyte, neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils. The correct answer is option C, basophils. So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.